Hi, this is Inigo Francis Xavier. Today we are going to discuss about Unit 1 Laws of Motion, Roman 9, second hard question. Okay, I am teaching the topic. Before that, you must know about the matter. Okay, what is the matter? What is the matter? So the matter it can be classified into three types. Okay, all of look at carefully. Matter. Okay, there are three types of matter. Okay, there are three types of matter. One is the, listen here, mass. Okay, one is the mass, and the second one is the energy. Second one is the energy, and the third one is the field. Third one is the field. You know very well, it is the amount of mass is the, it is the amount of matter contained in your body. The essence of mass is kilogram. Okay, I know very well, sir, because the mass is also equal to the medium. Okay, the mass is also equal to the medium. Okay, note it down. What are the example of mass? Solid, liquid. Okay, solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Okay, what are the energy? There are two types of energy: kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy and potential energy. What is the kinetic energy equation? 1 by 2 mv squared. Okay, note it down. This is important condition. Important condition. Okay, what is the potential energy? Potential energy equal to m into g into h. Okay, what is the field, ma? What is the field? We know very well. Okay, electric field and magnetic field. If you, for an example, if you consider the battery or cell, there are two terminals will be consist of it, positive terminal and negative terminal. Okay, everything's made up of atom. An atom it consists of three tiny particles: proton, electron, neutron. Proton is the positive charge, electron is the negative charge, neutron there is no charge. It's a neutral level. After that, we got to find out the atomic number as well as the mass number. What is the atomic number? Proton atomic number, proton is atomic number equal to proton is equal to electron. What is the mass number? Proton plus neutron. Okay, so listen here. So field. Okay, what is the field? There are two types of field: electric field. Okay, electric field, okay, electric field and magnetic field. Okay, electric field, magnetic field. Okay, what is the magnetic field, ma? What is the magnetic field? Because Earth behaves like a Bohr magnet. Earth behaves like a Bohr magnet. Okay. So the magnetic field it consists of the two polarity, north pole and south pole. And next, additionally, we have to add the gravitational field. Okay, sorry, gravitational field, gravitational field. Because if you throw the object will reaches the maximum height or parabolic direction or a straight and perpendicular direction. Again, it will reach the height, it will be fallen on the ground due to the gravity. The gravitational force due to the gravitational force or gravitational field. Okay, so you must know about the condition. So we have to work out the problem. Okay, because important. Okay, I am telling with you the kinetic energy is important condition. If you work out the problem, this value equation will be very useful for you. Okay, so listen here. First, you have to read the question. A heavy truck and a bike are moving with the same kinetic energy. If the mass of the truck is 4 times that of the bike, then calculate the ratio of the momenta. The ratio of the momenta 2 is to 1. Okay. So first you have to write the kinetic energy equation. What is the kinetic energy equation? Kinetic energy. Okay. Kinetic energy equal to 1 by 2 mv squared. 1 by 2 mv squared. So we have to write the value of kinetic energy of the truck and kinetic energy of the bike. Okay. First listen here. Kinetic energy of the truck. Okay. Kinetic energy of the truck equal to kinetic energy of the bike. Kinetic energy of the bike. Kinetic energy of the bike. Okay, so we have to write the value 1 by 2 mt vt squared. Okay, because t is the truck. Okay, so truck of the mass and truck of the velocity. Okay, what is the velocity? Velocity equal to displacement by time. Okay, rate of change of displacement per unit time. Okay, so listen here, equal to 1 by 2 MP VP squared, MP VP squared, because this is a bike, okay, bike of the mass, bike of the velocity, okay, you know very well, so let me repeat now. If the mass of the truck is 4 times that of the bike, how can we understand about the concept now? I will explain, okay. சொல்றேன். இப்போ வந்து there are 40 or 50 two-wheelers, okay, will be sending from the Chengalpattu to Thoothukudi through the heavy truck, okay. அவங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா, பைக்கோட மாஸை கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது ட்ரக்கோட மாஸ் எவ்வளோ இருக்காங்க, 4 times greater இருக்காங்க, 4 times greater than இருக்குங்க, ஓகேவா. அதான் கண்டிஷனாக நான் அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணியிருப்பேன், 4 times that of the bike, ஓகேவா. அப்போ நம்ம வேல்யூ எப்படி எழுதலாம், nt equal to, listen here, nt equal to 4 mp, mt equal to 4 mp. So we got to, for example, this is a first equation, this is a second equation, okay. Again we got to modify the value. So nt, listen here, nt, because this is a numerator, this value will be going to the other side is a denominator. Nt divided by mp will equal to 4, okay. So you got to substituting equation 2 in 1, okay, substituting equation 2 in 1, okay. So listen here, substituting, okay, substituting equation 1 and 2, okay. So 1 by 2, okay, what is the empty value, 4 mp, what is the empty value, 4 mp, okay. So you have to substitute the value 4 mp, okay, 4 mp vt squared, which is equal to, what is the kinetic energy of the bike value, already we have written 1 by 2 mp vp squared, okay. This is the left side, this is the right side, which are the term will be cancelled, because the mp will be cancelled, 1 by 2 will be cancelled. So the remaining term, what are the 4, okay, 4 vt squared, okay, 4 vt squared, which is equal to vp squared, vp squared, okay, vp squared, okay. So listen here, so this numerator, this value will go into the other side is the denominator, okay. So vt squared divided by 1 by 4 vp squared, 1 by 4 vp squared, the square value will be going to the other side within the square root, okay. So within the square root, so root of 4 2, okay. So vp squared, what is the vp squared, so you have to cancel the square, so vt equal to 1 by 2 vp squared. சொல்ல புரியுங்களா, இந்த ஸ்கொயர் இருக்கு, அப்போ இந்த ஸ்கொயர் வந்து நம்ம கேன்சல் பண்ணும்போது அப்போ என்ன ஆகும், இதுவும் கேன்சல் 1 by 4, okay. அப்போ ரூட் 1 நமக்கு என்னதான் 1 தான், அதே மாதிரி ரூட் 4 எடுக்கும்போது என்னதான் 2 மாறி, ரூட் 4 ஓட வேல்யூ 2, ஓகே. அப்போ vt equal to 1 by 2 vp, vt equal to 1 by 2 vp, okay. So again நம்ம இந்த ஈக்குவேஷனை மாடிஃபை பண்ணும்போது எப்படி எழுதலாம், listen here, vt divided by vp equal to 1 by 2, அவ்வளவுதான், vt equal to 1 by 2, ஓகேவா. இப்போ வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நமக்கு ரெண்டு மாஸோட வேல்யூ கிடச்சிட்டு, அதே மாதிரி வெலாசிட்டி ஆஃப் த ட்ரக் டிவைட் பை வெலாசிட்டி ஆஃப் த பைக்கோட வேல்யூ கிடச்சிட்டு, ஓகேவா. அப்போ நம்ம இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் நம்ம எப்படி நம்ம அப்ளை பண்ணலாம், யூ நோ வெரி வெல், வாட் இஸ் த லீனியர் மொமெண்டம் ஈக்குவேஷன், p equal to mv, ஓகே. ஸோ we got to write the value, or look at this, important, okay, linear momentum, what is the linear momentum, what is the linear momentum equation, mass into velocity, okay, mass into velocity, so p equal to mv, p into mv or mv, okay, if you write any kind of method, okay. So listen here, so we have to write the ratio format, so ratio of the, listen here, note it down, ratio of the momentum, okay, ratio of the momentum, okay, because linear momentum is a vector quantity. What is a vector quantity? It has magnitude and direction, okay. So the ratio of the momentum, p, okay, p track equal divided by p bike, okay, equal to, what is the p track value, for mt vt, okay, mt vt divided by mp vp, okay. What is the mp value, already we found it, okay. So 4, okay, so 4 equal to, okay, 4 into, what is the vp value, 1 by 2, okay. So you have to divide the value, so remaining 2. Okay, so numerator remaining 2. So what is the value? 2 by 1. Okay, 2 by 1. So we have to write the ratio of the momentum. Okay, already they have mentioned the question, ratio of the momentum 2 is to 1. Okay, so P track. Okay, P track divided by P bike equal to 2 by 1 or 2 is to 1. Thank you. This is the end of the lesson today. Next class we will discuss about the another interesting topic. You will support my channel. Okay, thank you.